What is up, my friends? Welcome back to Your Average Gentleman. It's your boy Evan. Let's face it, right? Streetwear is becoming more and more prevalent and acceptable in more and more jobs and professions. It is just more comfortable, allows more room for creativity. The trend of streetwear is definitely here to stay. So in today's video, let's talk about how to rock that street style like a bad boy. And without further ado, let's begin. Okay, outfit number one here, we have the slim fit black Adidas joggers, black oversized tee from Uniqlo, and finishing it off with a pair of white sneakers, which is also from Adidas. It is Stan Smith. One pro tip to rock that streetwear is to keep the top oversized and relaxed and keeping the bottom really slim. This will make your upper body look bigger and your lower body look slimmer, which will create that V-taper effect. And for this outfit, it is just so comfortable, right? Everything about this outfit is comfortable. And nothing is more sleek than that black on black combination. Put on a nice watch, a nice ring. Streetwear is also about the details, about the accessories. Okay, if you want to get even more comfortable, let's get on to the second street style outfit. And here we have the light gray sweatpants, again from Uniqlo. I'm rocking the Adidas Stan Smith all white again. And on top, I have the white oversized t-shirt. Streetwear is all about the comfort, right? It is all about defying the corporate office dress code. It is all about looking good effortlessly. A pair of slim fits light grey sweatpants, super handsome yet super comfy. White oversized tee, casual perfection. Finishing it off with a pair of white sneakers. How can street style get any simpler and dope as that? Okay, the third outfit that we are looking at is a pair of black running shoes. It is from Adidas. It is their MND R1 model. Black slim fit or skinny jeans and a white oversized t-shirt, both from Uniqlo. This is just one of the simplest way to rock that street style, right? Because everybody has jeans, everybody has that white t-shirt, and everybody probably have a nice pair of black kicks. And you can easily switch it up with a pair of Vans old school, which looks super dope as heck. The black and white contrast on this outfit is definitely eye-catching. It just gives a very casual and streetwear vibes. And of course, throw on a nice watch, some other accessories, or a necklace if you wanna. Whoa, 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 who knew street style can be so simple, yet so freaking on fire? Okay, the fourth street style outfit that we are looking at here is a pair of black slim or skinny jeans, a pair of black boots. This one is from Thursday Boots, and on top we have this light brown oversized tee from Uniqlo. And you can throw on a denim jacket too if the weather is getting a little bit chilly. Now we are getting a little bad boy and dangerous. Makes you look like a little rebel, a young punk, a hipster boy. And of course, if you want to look more mysterious, you can replace this with a black oversized tee instead. Whoa, this gotta be my favorite outfit. Alright, the fifth outfit that we are looking at here is a pair of Timberland Boots, a pair of black skinny jeans, and an oversized t-shirt from Uniqlo as usual. Nothing shouts streetwear more than the OG original gangster, a pair of Tims. When you put on a pair of Tims, pretty much everything that you wear on top will make you look like a streetwear bad boy. This outfit is especially superb for the colder and the rainy weather, right? Like your fall and winter and your stormy days and stormy nights. Not only will it make you look super stylish, but it keeps you warm and dry as well. And of course, you can rock it in spring and summer too. Just keep the rest of the outfit simple and lightweight. I want to emphasize again that street style and streetwear is all about the details, right? It is all about your accessories like your watch, your ring, your necklaces. It is the details that matters, right? It is the details that make your outfit pop. By the way, I made a video on all the different kinds of accessories and how to accessories like a bad boy, like a pro. I'll link it down in the description below if you want to check it out. And that is basically it for today's video. I know that street style is so wide, it is so much variety. If you want me to do a part 2, let me know down in the comments. And remember to smash that thumbs up button and let me know, yo Evan, dope outfits, man. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you haven't done so already. Once again, my name is Evan, you're watching Your Average Gentleman, and I'll see every one of you in my next video. Bye.